everyone, good morning. It's Steph, aka the Secret Slob, and if you are here with me right now, it means you are on a journey to a clean home in 21 days. Today is day number 8. We are officially into week number 2. I'm so proud of how far you've come. I hope you're still checking everything that you can off on the printable. You're using your weekly plan now, and it's helping you to develop routines and habits that work in your life. So today is day 8. I love this day. It's decluttering. I love a good purge. So if you've ever seen the Fly Lady, you know she always says you can't clean clutter, and it is so true. Do you know how much easier it is to clean your house when it's not just full of stuff? So let's get our timers out again. We're gonna decide on an amount of time. We have, for me, that's 10 minutes today. I'm gonna get going. You can watch me for motivation, or if you want, just press pause on the video and get started yourself. Okay, let's go. I have 2 rules when it comes to decluttering. The first is you don't declutter other people's stuff. Of course, that rule has to bend a little bit when it comes to kids because I'm responsible for cleaning up their stuff. So it's kind of up to me what we keep and what goes. The second rule I have is don't take out more than you have time to put away. So I always just try to tackle my decluttering one drawer at a time instead of pulling out all of the stuff and trying to sort through it. This is just because if I do get interrupted in the middle of decluttering, I'm able to just shut the door and quickly finish up without having a huge pile waiting for me. I'm decluttering my kids' art stuff today because I like for them to have easy access to all of their art supplies if they want to draw or color, but it does get a little bit out of control and we have a ton of coloring books. So I'm just taking time to sort through the ones that are maybe garbage, or we can donate if they haven't really been colored in, but we have doubles of them. Coloring books are a huge gift item for us for some reason. We just seem to attract them. So we have a few too many. I'm just going to sort through, keep the good ones, and toss the rest. All right, all done. It is amazing what you can get accomplished with 10 minutes. So I hope you were able to declutter some of your stuff. Just get it out of the house right now. Throw the trash in the trash. Take the thrift store stuff to the thrift store or the donation store. Or just get rid of it. Get it out of your house, because if it sits there in a bag at your front door, it might just make its way back in. So let's just get that stuff out of here. You've already decided you don't want it in your life. Let's get it gone. So every day from here on out, we're gonna choose an amount of time we have. Maybe it's 1 minute, maybe 10 minutes, or maybe you have a big day and you've got an hour. Set the timer and get going. Declutter an area of your house that's just driving you nuts. There's no rhyme or reason to it. I just kind of go with whatever's driving me crazy. So that's it. Let's pull out our 21-day checklist and we're gonna check off today as done. Okay, so once you're all done, check off declutter on your list and anything else you've gotten done. So we want to work through our power tidy, dishes, make our bed, hot spot, dress to shoes, and shiny sink. Now let's fill out our weekly cleaning schedule. So we're going to add declutter. I'm adding mine over to the morning just because that's when I know I usually have a little bit of extra time. I'm going to cross out Monday because we weren't there yet, and I'm going to put a little 10 because that just tells me I did 10 minutes of decluttering on Tuesday, but you can write it however you'd like. Check off the other things I've done, and tonight I'll finish the rest. Thank you so much for joining me on this 21 days to a clean home journey. I know you're going to see a huge difference in your house and in your life. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button to follow along to the end of the series and let me know how you're making out with your progress.